Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. So today's video we're going to be revamping two different wigs or two different textures of hairs. So I was actually about to just revamp the hair, so I thought, like, I just remember that I haven't filmed like a tutorial on how to do or how to revamp different textures of hairs. So yeah, I thought about it and I decided to set up my camera and start filming for you guys. And I also remember the fact that so many of you, when I filmed the last video on how to revamp hairs, so many of you were requesting a video on how to revamp bone straight or bone straight hair. So yeah, this process is going to be a revamping and treating of hair. So I would advise you to watch this video, stay tuned, watch the video from the beginning to the end, because the process is really detailed and it's very educative. So first, I'm just going to be washing the hair with shampoo, and this is the shampoo I like to use. Usually we'll like to use like the Tresemme, but sometimes I use that and also use this. You guys, like I said before, watch the previous video. So I like to use a shampoo that lathers a lot so that it can help bring out all the dirt from the weave on or from the wig. So I will wash the hair first thoroughly and also go ahead to wash the cap itself. I noticed that most people just concentrate on the hair and not the cap. Please, you guys, wash the cap and also wash the hair, because the cap actually absorb like heat. It absorbs heat, it absorbs sweat, it absorbs water. So it's so important to also wash the cap itself and also wash the hair. So if you haven't seen the previous video on how to revamp hair, that's for like a wavy hair or a bounce hair, I'll also leave the link in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. I am going to advise you to watch this video completely first, before you go ahead to watch that video. And that video, you get to learn about hair products I use and then the functions or the benefits of the hair product I use. So that video is also a necessity, like it's so important as well, and you need the two videos to be able to revamp people's hair or revamp your own hair. So yeah, but just watch this one first, watch this video first. Alright, don't forget to share this video to friends and family, leave a comment in the comment section below, subscribe if you haven't, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, please support our ministry. So we'll be repeating the same step on also the coily hair. So we'll do the same thing to the coily hair. That's the washing method or the washing pattern, like washing both the cap and the hair. So yeah, we'll wash it like about twice. Wash the first one, pour the water away, and also wash the second time and make sure that the shampoo itself is looking white. So yeah, after washing the both hairs, we just go ahead to rinse off the shampoo. So I'm going to be rinsing it with lukewarm water, not hot water and not cold water, lukewarm water. And I forgot to tell you guys that I wash the hair with lukewarm water as well. Alright, next is to treat the hair, and for this particular hair we like to use hair milk first. We use hair milk, I use hair mask, conditioners, silicone mix. That's for the bone straight. We also do the same for the coily hair as well. So we'll do that, we'll apply that, we'll mix everything together inside like a warm water, not so hot, just a warm water. So we'll mix silicone mix, conditioner, hair mask, and also hair milk inside like a warm water, not so hot. So after putting all the product together inside the water, like a very small water, so we'll just go ahead to mix everything together inside we'll mix it together. Make sure everything is well mixed before I go ahead to put in the hair. So we'll be putting the bone straight first because that's the one that I know that really need like treatment. So I'm going to be putting the bone straight first inside, then go ahead to put the curly hair inside. After putting them inside, we'll start combing them. This step is actually very important. It can actually make or break the treatment method or the treatment process. So we'll just go ahead to start combing the hair with this brush. So the mixture will actually make the hair really soft for me to be able to put in, like to brush the hair. So I'm going to be brushing the hair until I notice that the hair is so soft. And this is the brush I love to use for this process. It gets the job done. It goes inside the hair to just, you know, smoothen it. So that's why I love to use this particular brush. So I'll just be combing or brushing until I'm so sure that the hair is so soft, just so that the hair will give like little shine after the whole washing and all. So we'll just go ahead to use this Adore Crystal Clear and then apply it around the hair. Actually, I was supposed to put the Adore Crystal Clear inside the mixture, but I totally forgot. So I'll advise you, like, if you want to get a better result, you just the same way you put like the whole mixture or the whole product inside like a hot water, no, not hot water, like a warm water. So after putting the silicone, the hair make, the hair mask, the mayonnaise and every other product that you need to put, you have to also put this crystal clear, Adore Crystal Clear, inside, and then mix everything together so that it will be even. This will give the hair like a shine after drying. After the hair is being dried, it will give it like a shine, or it will keep the hair shining. So if you want your hair to shine after treating it, apply this, put this. But I beg of you, don't make this thing scarce in the market, because people like us still need to be using it. So do not make it scarce, please. Be gentle. If you want to buy only one, don't buy 10 at once. So right after applying the crystal clear, we'll just go ahead to comb the hair some more, and then we'll put the hair inside like a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to be repeating the same process on the coily hair as well. We'll do the same thing on the coily hair. Once I'm done combing the coily hair and applying the crystal clear, Adore Crystal Clear, we'll just go ahead to put it into a Ziploc bag as well, and then we'll go ahead to put the whole hair, the two hairs into like the steaming bag to heat for like 15 minutes. So once it's 15 minutes or 15 minutes later, I'm just going to go ahead to rinse it with lukewarm water. And yeah, the hairs are ready. Both hairs are ready. See how shiny the hairs look. So I'm just going to allow the hairs to air dry. I'm not going to use heat. I'm not going to use anything or hand dryer to dry it. I'm going to allow it to air dry. All right, moving on. Once the hair is dry, this is what it looks like. That's for the bone straight. This is what a bone straight looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply serum on the bone straight, and then not so much serum, just little amount of serum. We'll apply the serum, and after that we'll just go ahead to blow dry it. So before using my blow dryer, I'm just going to go ahead to also apply heat protectant onto the head as well, just to protect the hair from the heat. So after blow drying the hair, we'll still go ahead to use my straightener. You guys already know the straightener I use is a professional straightener. So I'm going to use the professional straightener or my straightener to straighten the hair some more. So for all the products I use, you can get them on our website www.exquisitesignature.com. We also sell hairs. We sell different types of hairs. We sell coily hairs. We sell straight hairs. We sell wavy bounce. So yeah, and we sell product as well. If you want the stretcher I use, you can also check our website also. So yeah, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. Listen. And like I said before, I already filmed a video on how to revamp or treat wavy hair, bounce hair. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, the link of the video in the description box below. And yeah, you can also see other products I use from that video as well. So you can see the products I use just for that coily hair. So after straightening it, this is what the hair looks like. It's so soft and sleeky, you guys. So go ahead to try this method and leave a comment in the comment section. If you have tried it before, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. But if you haven't, if it's your first time, try it on your hair and thank me later. Then for the coily hair, I just went on to dry the hair, and before drying it, I dried it on the mannequin. Like I just placed it on the mannequin, and then after that I used like a brush to brush the hair little more, and that's it. No need for stretching or blow drying, just let the hair dry the way it is. But after placing it on the mannequin, I used a brush. I still brushed it furthermore before allowing it to dry. All right, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and you're able to learn one or two things from the video. Do not forget to share to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, let us know what you think about this video and appreciate. Try and encourage us, guys. Share the video. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.